So, it's Snowmageddon. Probably is over a foot of snow out. We have to let Char out. Let's see what she does. Char, are you excited? You super pumped?
Let's see if I can open the door. You ready?
Go, Char.
Go. Go.
You gotta go in there. That's your bathroom. What a rude awakening. Poor Char. So we were kind of hoping she would go crazy, but I guess if you just wake up and all you want to do is get that morning pee out, you've got over a foot of snow, you'd be pretty miserable.
Hey, Char, see grass.
There's grass. We gotta build an igloo.
Good. Oh.
Are you making a bed?
Is it bigger? Oh.
Yeah.
Good girl, Char.
Despite all my natural instincts, I will go here. Apparently, we haven't had this kind of snow since about 95. I think we had about 29 inches of snow. And now we are expecting anywhere from maybe high 20s to even, like, I've heard 36 inches. So it could be the same, if not more, than the blizzard of 95.
Like, if you look out over there, it just looks like mounds of snow.
Winter wonderland.
And Ernie's mailbox is almost buried. Look at our mailbox. Look, it won't fall over now.
Truck bed's completely full.
But if you, can you see the drifts over here behind the truck? Like, it's just, it's so much.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's really pretty. It's a lot of soft edges.
Think we can drive to Purcell Park?
Yeah.
Of course.